ada di permukaan.
So if we had a product with filler, a compound with filler, this would remove the filler. So
Komponen yang ada fillernya dia akan mengangkat filler tersebut.
the goal is to see the finish as it should be without fillers, because then we're coating that. So that's where we are. So I'm going to use green towels to go with my green product. I can remember that.
Green grass.
Green grass.
Pay no attention to Alan. He's doing something else.
I was given a task.
Ya, Ellen lagi menyiapkan sesuatu yang berbeda.
Hola. Yep.
Our paint's pretty smooth, so it's kind of hydrophobic.
Okay. Thank you. Come together.
Alvin, have you got gloves over there?
Yeah, there is some.
Ya, gloves.
Gloves are important. So we are going to use a premium coating. The product is called Stout. 5 to 7 year product.
Premium coating namanya Stout.
The product will come with an applicator pad,
5 sampai 7 tahun sudah dia tahan dia keluar.
door jam sticker, so you can stick out in the door jam.
Ya.
They know where to go to get it taken care of because you're going to put your shop name here. Okay, so there's your door jam sticker. And if for whatever reason you forget how to install it, there's the QR code to the video. I'll take you to the stop video. All right. 30 milliliters, one layer will do the whole car.
30 ml untuk satu layer, satu unit.
Product once opened is probably good for about 3 weeks. Sometimes on a car, we don't use all of it. So you'll put the lid on tight and store it in a cool, dark place. Here, the refrigerator is a cool, dark place. So the applicator has a barrier, plastic barrier on the inside, so it won't go through. It'll sit just on the surface of the microphone. When the product dries on the pad, it will not be hard or crispy, but it will be very hydrophobic. So why is there a red and a gray side?
Kenapa warnanya merah dan
In case you drop it.
kalau ada jatuh?
No real reason, just so you know what side you were using. So this is a very thick coating. We're going to lay it down in about a quarter of the hood space.
Itu sangat kental ya, sangat tebal coatingnya, jadi kita akan kerjakan seperempat bagian dari itu.
We're going to make a square to define our space, but first we will draw a wet line that will go diagonally across our space. Then we will make our box, and then as we go back and forth, we'll pick up our wet line so we have fresh material.
Jadi dia ada cara teknik aplikasinya supaya tidak semua bagian terkenal lah.
As soon as we put the product down, we will go to the removal step. So there is no flash time.
Jadi tidak ada flash time-nya, begitu ada di aplikasi bisa langsung hilang.
We are not going to look for bubbles, we're not going to look for rainbows or streaking, we're going to lay it down and pick it up. The coating will instantly adhere to the paint.
Tidak usah lihat ada pelangi, ada bubble, atau ada streak, langsung gelap begitu sudah di aplikasi.
The remains will be sitting on top of the solvent that carried the coating, and we will remove that right away. If you wait too long, get the polisher out.
Jadi yang dia kelap itu adalah solventnya. Jadi jangan kalau terlalu
So
lama
there is no wait time,
kita mesti
especially here. You know, high humidity, no wait time.
tidak perlu
So
waktu untuk menunggu.
lay it down, pick it up. Okay. So I'm going to set these on my work cart. Smoke top.
Lalu beberapa tetes di atasnya.
30 mili satu mobil.
So it's a thick coating. You will need a fair amount on the
Ya,
outside.
artinya thick atau coating tebal yang banyak di atasnya. Nah, caranya
Start here. I'll make my wet
ditaruh
line.
diagonal ke ujung, baru marahin di pinggiran lagi, baru naik turun.
Notice I
Tekan
am
batas yang sudah dibuat tadi.
cross hatching. I go over the space one time.
Satu kali lapis
Just get to the middle.
ke pinggirannya, diwarnai yang
I'm going to go straight to my removal step.
langsung dielap.
I'm just going to pass one of the plot.
Jadi semuanya langsung dilap sekaligus, nah, baru dilap yang kedua. Jadi benar-benar tidak usah nunggu lagi, itu saja coating. Ini coating Stout. Stout ya.
5 sampai 7 tahun.
5 sampai 7 tahun. Jadi enggak.
Ngeri lah.
Ini memang kita diagonal, sisi-sisi, dibikin diameter, baru bermain ke tengah, naik turun. Langsung dilap. Jadi yang dilap itu solvernya ya, karena coatingnya.
Wipe it off like you mean it.
Ya, dilap dengan penuh perasaan dengan 2 lap.
Kalau di Foxy bisa begini ya.
Lihat aplikatornya takut.
Foxy aman, Fortuner.
Fortuner sih selesai.
Nah, bisa, maksudnya bisa kayak gini kan?
Fill me in. What am I missing?
They said it won't scratch the paint the way you wipe it.
With a high quality microfiber, you won't. This is a cheap microfiber top.
Yeah.
Not the quality we want.
Ya, katanya kalau pakai microfiber yang bermutu tinggi tidak akan scratch. Ini karena
That's why we want a flutter microfiber, but this is what I have for school, so this is what I got.
ya,
A high quality microfiber with no edge seams. That is what's required. Even those red towels are plusher than these. You want a 350 GSM twist loop or tight loop towel with edgeless. That's what you need.
ya 350 GSM tanpa
But I do with what I got.
Jadi dia sekarang pakai apa yang dia punya.
And
jadi
I hate to
kalau-
break it to you, but there were some scratches still in here when we got that.
Ya,
So it's not like it was perfect. So if you want to feel the difference, now's the chance to feel the difference.
nah sekarang kalau pengen tahu tekan perbedaannya silahkan di dan ini lebih 107 derajat konteksnya, ini 192, jadi lebih